going, guys? Got something a little bit big this time. This kit's also from Metro Hobbies here in Melbourne, Australia. This time we've got a Master Grade Pyscho Zaku. This is quite a big box. This is a 2016 release. Quite like the front cover on this one, as usual for Bandai. It's got the main picture on the front. What I like also is the faded picture also in the background. Okay, on this side here we've got all the pictures of all the weapons that basically come with this kit. And I like also on this side here, it's got nice close-up illustrations of the actual mobile suit. It's a nice touch. On this side we've got, as usual, the bust, the Master Grade logo. Here we've got some nice illustrations of the front and rear view. This does recommend in Japan for 9,000 yen. And this side's the same as the other side, the illustration of the bust. Alright, here we've got the first bag. There is quite a few bags in this, so bear with me, I'll try not to make this too long. This bag consists of 2 runners. This bag here consists also of 2 runners. This one's got also 2 runners. Two runners here. So we've got 1 runner, which is the base. Here we've got 2 runners and a small bag. Looks like some steel rods. This bag's got 2 runners. This bag looks like it's got 3 runners in it. Then we've also got 3 runners in this bag. This bag's got 2 runners, one of them being the polycaps. This runner got 2 runners in here. So this one 2 runners. Two runners. And here we've got the gold effect part, also of 2 runners. This one also got 2 runners. Two runners in this one as well. And the final bag, also 2 runners. And we've got the bag of decals. Nice touch with this one, they do look like water slides. And we've got also some separate bags in here of effect parts. Alright, we've got the manual for the Pyscho Zaku Vodka, as usual for the front cover. It's got the nice illustration, a little bit of a fading, ghost fading around the corners. And we look here, got some nice illustrations of the mobile suit, got the front pose, as well different poses on the stand and the rear view. At the bottom here you've got some pictures of the weapons. And here just gives you a list of all the runners. As I did mention, there's 35 runners, so there's 3 pages of that. And then we go into the build. Pretty straightforward, just follow pictures. It's one thing I do like about Bandai. The pictures are pretty straightforward, easy to follow. And if we skip to the middle part, got some more pictures of the mobile suit, different positions, shows you the front, side and rear views. If we just skip now to the back page, on this side here shows you the colour chart, the recommended colours, and got the decals here, shows you the weapons, and as well as the decal listings for the actual mobile suit. And got some right up here in Japanese, there's some English as well at the bottom of the actual anime, which is Gundam 00. And the rear. Okay guys, that's it for this unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. This was quite a big box to unbox. Hope it didn't carry on too long. If you like this unboxing, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to press that subscribe button as well as the bell. I will be doing a review on this kit when I'm done. I can't promise it'll be a quick build as for the amount of parts for this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.